Hi guys, this is Jadirah Sarmad and in today's video I'm showing you how to create this simple festive glam look that you can rock this holiday season. So I already did my base off camera just to save time and I'm starting off with brows. So for my brows I'm using the ABH medium brown dip brow pomade and this is just fill in some soft areas. I already have full brows so I didn't do much. For my base routine, you can watch my wedding guest makeup look video that I recently posted. I've shown in detail what I do, so I will link it up in the iCard for you guys. Check it out. How can you not do the classic wing liner for a festive glam look? So that is exactly what I'm doing here. I will just be doing a winged liner first and then I'll show you what else I'm doing. Oh, and if you struggle with winged liner, I have a tutorial on it as well, so check it out. Now here is the fun part. I mixed some gold glitter with my NYX glitter glue and topped it on my eyeliner that I did. So this is what will add a puff of festive glam without looking over the top. And guys, I totally forgot to show you guys that I should actually be putting a little bit of Huda Beauty palette colors in my crease. So I used the shade Sandalwood and then I went in with Bay. I should have done this before my liner. That's what I did with my other eye. But yeah, sometimes I just lose my thought while filming. So I made a mistake right there. But anyways, I continued going in with the glitter once I realized that I had to put the eyeshadow on. So yeah, that happens. But you know what? Perks of having easy looks, you can fix it up anytime. Now here I'm just going back in with the black eyeliner and basically like drawing outline so that our glitter pops and the black is not completely lost. Then I just went in with my Essence Rock and Roll mascara just to prep my lashes for false eyelashes that I will be adding later on. Here I'm just going in with the black gel liner on my lower lash line so that it does not look naked or incomplete, and I just really like the kajal look, so I decided I'll add that depth to my lower lash line. Now it's time to contour, and for this again I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit with my Sigma angled kabuki brush. And I don't do crazy contouring, you guys know that, because that's not really practical for day-to-day wear. So yeah, I just did some light contouring and lightly contoured my nose as well. I'm not too crazy about contouring. For blush, I'm using the Luscious Cosmetics Cheek Contour Palette and I'm using that beautiful pink shade called Petal. And I'm just going to blend nicely. I love the way it looks on my complexion. For lashes, I'm wearing Sweet Touch London's Sasha lashes. I love the way they taper out, but they do shed quite a bit. So, what's up, Sweet Touch? And finally, for highlighter, I'm wearing my current favorite Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. This is so pretty and I just love the way it complements my skin tone. This is something that I have really found to be a good match after Wet n Wild's Boozy Branch highlighter. So those two are definitely my top favorites. And now moving on to lips. Of course, I had to do a red lip. So I'm wearing J Dot's Notes lip shade and I just don't remember the shade of this lipstick, but I will link it down in the description box for you guys, so do check it out and mention the details as always. So always be sure to check the description box. And yep, with that we are done with the look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, if you don't like it, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.